Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Protect Your Bubble Gadget Insurance Review My Usage Experience. Protect Your Bubble Gadget Insurance Review My Usage Experience offers gadget insurance. It's designed for people who want to protect their expensive electronics from accidental damage, loss, or theft. Key features likely include coverage for various incidents and possibly different deductible options. Their website provides details on specific plans and coverage levels. They highlight things like quick and easy claims processes, a variety of coverage options to suit different budgets, and potentially no hidden fees or contracts. Pricing is transparently shown on their site. Availability is likely determined by the device and location, details of which can also be found on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Protect Your Bubble Gadget Insurance. Getting started was a breeze. The online application process took less than 10 minutes, and I uploaded all the necessary documentation without any issues. The interface is clean and easy to navigate. I particularly liked how clearly they outlined the different coverage options and the cost for each. I chose the comprehensive plan which covered accidental damage, loss, and theft. A couple of weeks later, disaster struck. I dropped my phone and cracked the screen. Filing a claim was surprisingly straightforward. I submitted the claim online with photos of the damage, and I received an email confirmation within minutes. They processed my claim quickly, and I received the repair authorization within 3 business days. I had a quick question about the repair process and their support responded within a day via email. The representative was very helpful and professional. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which would have made managing the policy even easier. The standout feature for me was definitely the speed and efficiency of the claims process. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Protect Your Bubble. They delivered on their promises, and the whole experience was stress-free. That's my overview of Protect Your Bubble Gadget Insurance Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.